We've had a mixture of students here this year, quite different the projects they've made, which is great, very, very different design-wise. So we've got from some totally solid made pieces of furniture to some highly veneered pieces of furniture and a good mixture in between.
I knew I wanted to make something quite sculptural, and I wanted to do curves because they're very challenging from a making point of view. But the solar pattern actually came from a colander which had perforations in it, and I'd been looking for something graphic to include, maybe in marquetry or inlays. And this colander, I looked at it and I didn't see the holes, I saw a sunburst. When I had that, I thought, okay, that's where I want to go. I just need to develop that idea.
I've always admired and enjoyed looking at sort of curved work, so I've always found it quite inspiring. So I wanted to do something curve related. It was the part of the course I'd enjoyed the most as well. I wanted a console table in my house, and I found the favourite materials throughout the course. I generally enjoyed working with burr and walnut, so it kind of started building from there really.
I'm really pleased with it because there's got lots of stuff going on in it. I wanted to do a seriously good traditional drawer with exposed lap dovetails with a contrasting drawer side, which we've managed, and a drop down glass frame for the top section. I wanted some black Dyneema, which is a very fine, very strong twine in effect, and so we used that and set it in, and we've hidden the fixings, and it looks treat because it matches the ebony inlay on the top.
I'd always liked the look of the old style writing desks, and I wanted to bring that sort of aspect of design to it, but I wanted to bring it in with a bit more of a modern feel to it. So using traditional darker woods in the walnut, and then I wanted to bring sort of the element of the lighter wood to it. So that's something I did when I had the doors opening up inwards to reveal the lighter interior, also using the leather writing pad, and then bringing in more modern themes and using the glass and the steel rods as well in the piece.
I was inspired by my love for Lego design, so I used the bright colours and the aspect of the Lego brick and incorporated it within the design as a bright and colourful and really contrasting piece. Definitely doing lots of wood turning and lots of physical stuff on the lathe was quite challenging to get everything accurate as possible.
I've worked for a couple of engineering companies in the last 10 years, and the tolerances that we've been working to with this have been, well, they blow those engineering companies out the water really. It's, you know, 100th of a millimetre, 1000th of a millimetre. You can barely see that. So one slip of the chisel, a little bit of sort of just carelessness, and you leave sort of almost just devastated that something you spent hours on has just sort of, no one else will see it. You know it's there, so.
As far as the workmanship goes, they really are all made to exhibition standard, which is what we've been doing. I think they realised from day one that quality is really the main thing that we're looking for. And we have to be very, very accurate. We're working with veneers that start off at 0.6 of a mil thick, so you can't be within 2 or 3 millimetres. It's right or it's not right, and that's the accuracy that we're working to.